What's up guys, Morgan Lewis here and thank you for coming to this video. In this video I'm going to show you where you can get some free business marketing video clips, okay? They're free and you can use them for whatever you're marketing, okay? Whatever your business is, you can use them for free, you can download them for free. I'm also going to show you where you can get some free audio to add to that video that we're going to make, okay? So we've got some audio and we've got some video clips. I'll also show you some bits of software where you can combine them all together to make the video, okay? So watch out for that. I'll go through it step by step, so don't skip a bit. Make sure you watch to the end as well, because at the end I show you a bonus, I give you a bonus, I show you what I use to make money online, okay? So watch out for that. So without further ado, my name is Morgan Lewis. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next part of the video. So welcome back everybody to this part of the video. Now if you want to get some free business marketing video clips to make a video or an advert for your business or anything you want to market, there are a couple of places that you can get some free video clips. They're not very long, but you can combine them with some free audio, which I'm going to show you, and you can make a little video clip or a little advert for free or for very little cost. Now to get the videos, this is what I use, pexels.com. Okay, so all copyright free. So there's videos and there's photos. So say if you want to create a video, let's say on marketing, because marketing is marketing, digital marketing. So if I wanted to create a video or an advert with digital marketing, I could use these photos. Okay, you can download them. Or because we're doing videos, we can go to videos. There's loads of photos and there's also loads of videos. So we can download these and make a little video or make a little ad for ourselves. So anyone will do. So you can just click on it. It plays. Okay. There's no sound. We can add sound to it. It's buffering a little bit. We can add sound later on, but the videos we get, just little ones like that. So there's no sound, but we can add sound to it for free. Okay, they're not very long, but all you've got to do really is press free download. Okay, and to download for you. Okay, so you can pick any ones you want really. I'll just go back here and pick, anyone takes your fancy. So what you can do is, I'll show you, so you click on there, look, download quick. Yes, download please, thank you very much. So you can pick any one, so you might want this guy here as a video, so you can just download this. Free download. Okay, it'll download for you then. And this one here, perhaps. Download this one. Thank you very much. So pick any ones you want. Let's go back and find another one. Let's go to social media marketing. Okay, so all we're doing at the moment is just downloading free videos. So perhaps this one here, look. If you're going to a basketball one. Okay. So these are all free. So we can just download them to our computer and then we can make them into a little video clip or a little ad for our business. We haven't paid anything yet, right? Okay. So you can spend obviously more time on this and you can pick the ones you want. I've only downloaded 5. I might just do this, I've only done a few. Okay. I might download this one perhaps or another one. Okay. Now they are free. They're not very long, but what we can do is, is we can put them into a video editing software and loop. So I'm not going to spend hours or more than a couple of minutes of just downloading a few videos. But what I'm going to do next is show you how to put these videos into a free video editing software, which you'd be surprised. It's probably on your PC. If you've got a PC, you might not know it. I never knew it until a couple of weeks ago. To make a little video. Okay, and then I'm going to show you where to get some free audio to add audio to it. Okay, Now, once you've downloaded as many videos as you want, as many clips as you want, you can use a video editing software to make the video. And obviously, you can pay a bit of cash and you can buy Camtasia or something like that. And you can do if you want to. But I never knew. But in the Photos app on Windows 10, I never knew this. Perhaps the world knew this and I didn't know it. There is a little video editor and it is quite good. It's free, so let's use it. It's good for for making little videos, okay? So all you do is search for Photo app and go to new video project. Name the new video, let's call it marketing ads, okay? Obviously it's not as powerful as, the ones you pay for. So there it is. Now we can add, just like we do in a normal video editing software, we can just add images or videos. We've got videos, so we'll add from, and these are all the ones I downloaded. So I should be able to just do this, open. Famous last words. So there they all are, okay? Now, so these are the ones we can put in to make a little video. We haven't got a lot, but you can just drag them in like that. Okay? So we've got 2 in the moment, so we press play, or there's little things you can do. You can do 3D effects on it, okay? I'll cancel that one perhaps. Filters, so you can do, quite a lot of different things with it. It's quite a handy little thing to have. Okay, you can also change the speed up and down if you want to. You can put a text on it. Okay, my ad is the best. Okay, so you can do quite a lot with this little video editor. It's not as powerful as Camtasia or other things on the market, but it is free. So play around with that. I'm not going to show you too much of that, but you can keep adding. Keep doing this. Select that one. Come on. Add this one. Add this one perhaps. Okay, you can add them all in one go if you wanted to. We've done that one. Let's add this one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Random videos. Obviously, you pick the ones that are more applicable to you. Okay. There's no sound, obviously. No sound, and they are quite small in length. Okay. Hi folks, sorry for interrupting. If you're enjoying this video and this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Sorry for the interruption, back to the video. But it's fine for making quick little videos for Facebook, for YouTube, okay, or for your promotional activities. There's no sound yet, okay? So that is downloading free clips from Pexels and then uploading them into the free bit of software on Windows 10. I'm sure you Apple people have got something probably better. Okay, all free so far. Not very long, obviously, but you can loop it or you can keep adding videos. Okay, the next bit I'm going to show you is because there's no sound. Now, we can include sound. We can add sound to this video. And where I'm going to go is YouTube. Audio library. Who knew? So these are all free sources that you can use to put into our little video. Okay, some of them you've got to cut and paste that you've used them. Okay, humanize, no attribution. So I haven't got to say where it's come from. Okay, you should make credit the artist and link the audio library from your video. So they're free, but sometimes you've got to attribute where it comes from. Okay? So there's free music, there's sound effects, loads of different things on here. There's free music. So not very long, but you can type, let's type in, I don't know, energetic or something like that, because it's a little energetic. It's a business, it's an advert. Let's search for that. Okay. So duration. Let's get one a bit longer. We don't want that one. So this one is 6 minutes. Let's press play, see what happens.
Don't stop.
perhaps. Let's try this one here, For the Love of. We love that one. So all you do now, it's only 4 minutes long. Okay, we'll download this. So it'll download the track, and what I'm going to do next is upload it to our little video that we made. So we'll have a little short video with 3 clips from Pexels and a free bit of music from YouTube. Obviously, it's only going to be a small length, but you get my drift. You can do a bit more than I'm doing in this short video. So I'm now going to upload this track to the little video we've already made. So here I am back in the Photos app with our little video that we've made. I've just downloaded the track from YouTube. So now all I'm going to do now is to give a bit of sound to this. So don't forget, it's only small, 5 or 6 little small videos, there's no sound. So custom audio. Okay, add the audio file. I'm going to download this free one I've just got from YouTube. Open that. So play that. That's it. And now I might want to make it a little bit longer, perhaps, because that's the video there. Look, so we can make it a little bit longer. Let's move it here. Okay. Perhaps make it a little bit longer. And there we are. Make a battle with it. So that's done. Okay. Now press play. So we suddenly got a quick video with some sound on it. Okay, so get my drift. We can download free stuff from Pexels and add free music from YouTube to make a quick little video with very little cost. And that's taken us 10 minutes. Okay, if we spent a bit of time on this, you could create some, half decent ones. Then all you've got to do then is go to finish video. Once you're happy, finish video, and you can download it and do what you want with it, like we do with normal videos. Okay, so that's a quick way of making a little business marketing video clip with free video clips from Pexels and free audio from YouTube. So do with that as you wish. You can do a lot more than I've just done. Okay. Now the other bit of thing I was going to show you is if you want a bit more powerful bit of software than this, there is one, and it's called Shotcut. It's an open source. It's free. If you've got the money, you can buy Camtasia, but this one I'm going to show you next is a bit more powerful than the free one on Windows 10. So it's called Shotcut. So if you just Google Shotcut, that's what it looks like. It's a free open source software. I use it to make my videos. It's more powerful than what I use it for. I don't use it for everything. But you can crop things. You can do a lot more than I use. You can blur things out. It's free, okay? So it's quite a little powerful tool. It looks like this. Okay, there's loads of videos on YouTube on how to use it. It does more than what I use it for. Okay, it's a bit more powerful than the one we used, this one. Okay, so all you got to do is you can just move your videos, your clips into the playlist. So it opens up like this. You create a file, and then you can just, bring things in like this. Another one like that. Okay, so I'll do a few. Okay, I'll do another one like that. Okay, okay, so it's a free bit of software called Shotcut. You can upload music to it. You can do videos. It's a lot more powerful than what I use it for. Okay, so just put the videos in, and then you can just bring them down like this then to make your little video. Okay, and then you can just keep adding it on to the end like that. I won't go into much of this because it's not a tutorial on how to use Shotcut. It's quite easy once you know what you're doing. And then, so you can keep adding videos, you can keep adding clips, You can loop them. You can do a lot with this. Okay, again, it's a free bit of software that you might want to use. Okay, obviously you can pay for things like Camtasia, which do a lot more, but you know, the Shotcut one, this one is a free bit of software. The audio library is free, and so is Pexels. So we've created a video for business marketing video clip for an advert using everything free apart from your internet and your power. Okay, so it's a very cheap way of making videos to advertise and send out to people. So I hope that's of value to you. I use it quite a lot to make my videos, and I use Camtasia as well. Like I said, I do use Shotcut, and I do use the YouTube audio stuff to make little videos. I do make money online. I have got an income online, and I did say at the start, those who stay to the end, I'll show them a bonus, so you stay to the end. So the next part of the video, I'm just going to show you how I make an income online, how I leverage the power of the internet online. So stick around for that. That's coming next. But without further ado, my name is Morgan Lewis. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. I hope you found some value. If you need to know how I make money online, if you want to know how I make money online, stick around for the next part of this video. Welcome back to this third part of the video and to the bonus section. Like I promised, those who stay to the end and explain to you how I make money online and how I use the power of the internet to leverage that power and make an income online. I use affiliate marketing, and more specifically, high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, you can get started today in the same program for $7. There's a link in the pinned post, which will take you to a 15-day business challenge for $7. So click on the pinned post, the link in the pinned post. It'll take you to this squeeze page. Enter your contact details, and for $7, you can get started on them 15 days today. There's 15 days worth of value. Now, for an extra bonus, if you complete them 15 days and you send me a screenshot of proof that you've completed the 15 days, I will then arrange a one-to-one coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps. So make sure you sign up for the 15 days, go through the 15 days. Once you get to the 15 days, send me a screenshot, email me a screenshot of the completion, and I will set up a one-to-one free half-an-hour coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps, whatever they may be. Now, the reason I want to do that is because I know the value of them 15 days, because I got a lot of value, and I want you to get the same value. So make sure you complete the 15 days, and then we can arrange that one-to-one half-an-hour free session. So that's all I have today. Click on the link, pay the $7, do the 15 days. Besides that, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I answer them all. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Take up that 15-day challenge. Take up on my free one-to-one bonus session. And I will see you in another video.